Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Muhayyo and today we'll be talking about how to avoid the famous mistakes in a CV. As a former career consultant and a career coach, also I was working as a HR manager. I know for sure what kind of mistakes you have to avoid in your CV. The first thing is spelling and grammar errors, of course. When you are applying for a job, CV with a lot of grammar mistakes and spellings will show you as unprofessional and careless. So please consider this moment and proofread your CV several times. You can even share with your friends or family who can additionally give you feedback and you can improve it more. Second thing is photo, sometimes unprofessional photo in CV. You have to remember that you don't have to put your photo in your CV if it is not asked. If the employee needs your photo, usually they will write in vacancy ad about that. But if you want to add your photo, please consider how professional your photo is. The third mistake is about the length of the CV. So nobody will read your CV if it is 5 pages. If you have very long work experience, it can be 2 pages maximum. But if you are in the beginning of your career or you are a student, your CV should be 1 page, not more. The first thing is about showing your achievements rather than your responsibilities. Believe me, every employer knows what kind of responsibilities an accountant has or what kind of responsibilities a manager has. But what the employer wants to know is what kind of results and achievements you have brought to the company you are currently working for. For example, instead of writing, I was responsible for developing a platform for my company. Please write, I have developed and tested new features for the internal company platforms, and this reduced bug errors by 40%. It sounds different, right? The fifth mistake is the jargon and cliché. Please do not use jargon and cliché in your CV. Usually jargon can confuse non-experts in the field where you are working. Your CV should be very good organized, and it should show you, it should sell you to the employer, taking into account your results. When you are drafting your CV, always keep in your mind what the employer wants to see, what the employer wants to read. This is very important exercise because when you put yourself instead in the place of the employer, you will know that, for example, if you're applying to become an event manager, for the employer will not matter that you were volunteer, for example, at school for 5 years feeding the dogs or taking care of the cats. The employer will want to see how you brought the results to the company as an event manager. I hope this video was useful for you and see you in my next video.